Hello and welcome to the Daily Blitz. What is the question of the day? Why is the Financial Times calling the founders of the euro dinosaurs?
6 of Europe's former top central bankers signed a memo. It's a scathing memo criticising the current European Central Bank for its policy of endless QE, or at least that's how they see it. And they have 3 main points that they wanted to make. The first is that the endless forms of QE are basically illegal because they finance governments, and the 2% inflation target that the ECB claims to have is not actually what they have under the law. They're actually required to keep inflation below 2%, which is what they've already got. So why do they need more QE? The second criticism that the former central bankers made was about the misdiagnosis of the problem that the Eurozone faces. The QE is designed to stop a deflationary spiral, but the Eurozone doesn't face it. So why are we having so much QE? And the third point they make is that all of this QE is creating unintended consequences for the Eurozone. And maybe that's what the Eurozone's really facing in terms of the problem. Maybe it's the unintended consequences from QE that are causing the European economy to underperform.
But the FT editorial board was furious. In fact, they penned a very lengthy note in which they criticised everything that was written in that Bloomberg piece, in which they said that actually the real reason we have negative interest rates in the Eurozone is a product of too many savers seeking safety, when in reality they should be seeking riskier assets. If they did seek riskier assets, then interest rates would be higher than negative. That was our question for today's Daily Blitz. What do you think this really sums up? What does this say about the mainstream financial establishment that this is going on?
I think the European financial sector is really worried that eventually policymakers are going to turn off the tap of free money, and that would put the European financial sector at risk, and that basically scares them.
Well, there you have it, folks. That's today's Daily Blitz. Thank you very much for watching.